Hi children, this class we will discuss about the fundamental concepts in geometry. What is the fundamental concepts? Which ones are there in the geometry? Today, this video we will discuss. First of all, first point is point. What is the point? Take it, see here, you're seeing on the blackboard, take chalk piece, put it one dot. See, all it will be total whenever we are seeing, we have to highlighting here dot. Specific, nothing it will be, just we have to take it dot, make it A here. That now dot name is A. Okay, this we will say dot or is a point. Okay, this is having no length, no breadth, no height. Specifically, whenever we are keeping just nib of the chalk piece of nib of the pen, put a just to give the name. This always dot name is not A. You have to take any English alphabetic name, capital alphabetic names. Specifically, in this area, in this board, this specific place, this area should be we are making here. This is a, we will say it will be point. What it will be? Point. We will say or a dot also. We will say point name is A. Like that also we will see. Next one. Second point is line segment. What is the line segment? First I'm writing line segment. See children, line segment. What is the line segment? See. Take 2 points. Take 2 points. Here I am taking, and this name is X. This point name is X and keeping. Then this point name is Y and keeping. See, first dot name is X. Second dot name is Y. See, I am joining these two. Which one's that? I am joining X and Y points. Okay. See, specifically we will get one the distance between this. We got something. Like this way, we will say is a line segment. Now, this name is XY line segment. Always we can't write line segment directly, just to put it a bar. Like just put it a XY bar. This is what we will say. This is a represent XY line segment. Take it one way. Anything. See M N. This is what we have to write. M N line segment. Okay, line segment means what? It will be we can't extend specifically length. Specific length is having line segment. Okay, children, with ruler, with scale we will, how many centimeters are there? How many meters? If we will, big means we will use like meters. In this on the board we will measured with the scale, it will be is represented centimeters, right? Okay, specifically we will finding the length of the line segment. Means we will say directly line segment is having 2 end points. Line segment is having 2 end points. We can't extend. We can't extend. One the thing for this line segment, children, writing here. X I am writing here. I am writing Y. See, I am started here line. I am extending. See, I did not stop at Y. This extending, I did not stop at point Y. I am continuation. See, I started at X. I started at X. Okay. But I am continuing drawing this, it will be go up till Y. Not only Y, more than Y. See, I put a arrow means these lines means going on extending. Which side? To from x to y till extending. We can't stop. We can't stop. This one we will say ray. We will say x y ray. One side arrow means we will say ray. If the line segment is having one side ray, that we will see one side arrow mark. The line segment, if it is having one side ray, we will say it will be XY ray. What we will say, that is a XY ray. Okay. Next children, observe this thing now. Same XY. I am joining. See, now I will keep two side rays. Now I am keeping two side rays. XY line signal. For X side I kept ray. Then Y side also I kept arrow symbol. X side I kept arrow symbol. Y side also I kept arrow symbol. Means what? That line segment should be, we will extend. X side also. This line segment we will extend it to Y side also. Both sides we will extend. Line segment we will extend two sides. This one we will say line. What will be? Line. The name is line. Okay, these are the main concepts, children. First is the point, dotted line, this dot, this is the point. Line segment. Line segment means what? It will be two end points. Line segment means two end points. We can measure with the ruler or tape for the centimeters or meters or kilometers for the line segment. Two sides it will be ending. Okay, next here ray means one side it will be end point, one side it will be arrow symbol. One side it will be arrow symbol. We will say this is a ray. What we will say this one? Ray. Okay. Next one. Here, this line segment we will extend from X side and Y side. Two sides I kept here both rays. Two sides I kept arrow symbol. Two sides I kept arrow symbol. For this figure, we will say it will be line. What we will say it will be line. Okay. Conceptual figures. Which one is there? First point, line segment, ray, and line. These are the main four topics. Okay, children. Next one, shapes. It will be in before classes also. You learned before that one curved line. Curved line should be is. We can't measure the curved lines with specifically one thread or rope. It will be. See here. Now like this is there. This is the curved line. Curved line means how to this curved line segment or the ray it will be curved ray. Two sides we will keep arrow symbols means that is the curved ray will come. See here. Now curved line segments. Curved line means. See, directly with the scale we can't measure this. With tape also we can't measure. Take one thread and first keep thread here first point. Then same way you can on the thread only, on the line only you can make it thread. You will get some threading length. With the after we have to finding using scale we will find the length of the curved line. This is the way we have to finding the all the things. Next one, we have to go to geometrical figures. What is geometrical shapes? Geometrical shapes. Geometrical shapes. What are the geometrical shapes? See children. First one is rectangle. rectangle. Rectangle means rectangle is a made up of 4 line segment. Okay, rectangle is a bounded closed figure with the made up of 4 line segment. Line segment means what? We will measure that. We will measure 2 end points is there. One more time I am repeating. See, rectangle is a closed figure with the made up of 4 line segment. See children here. A, B, C, D. Okay children, see this one we will say length. From here to here say breadth. This also length. This also breadth. This corner should be now. These corners we will say vertices. What we will leave? Vertices. Double more than 2 means we will say vertices. More than 1 means vertices. If single we will say vertex. Vertex. What we will say, that is the vertex. Okay. See, this is the line. See, from A to B 1 line segment, B to C 1 line segment, C to D 1 line segment, D to A 1 line segment. That's why any open is there anywhere? No, this is the closed figure we will see. Okay, this shape it will be rectangle. See, in the rectangle 2 lengths are equal. This one AB, one side we will say AB one side, BC we will say one side, CD we will say one side, DA also we will say one side. What we will say, that is the side. Side, 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 side. AB is one side, BC is one side, CD is one side, DA is one side. All these are sides we will say. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Means what? AB side is equal to CD side. Next, BC side is equal to DA side or AD side. AB side is equal to CD side. BC side is equal to AD side. This is the rectangle. Okay, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That is what? Length and breadth. 2 breadths are equal, 2 lengths are equal. This is having 4 sides. Rectangle is having how many sides? 4 sides. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. 4 sides, 4 vertices. Okay children, next it will be square. Next one is about square. Next shape is square. Square, see children, in the square all the sides are, this also same, made up of 4 line segment, made up of 4 line segments. This all AB one side, BC one side, CD one side, DA one side, but it will be all the sides are equal. AB is equal, BC is equal, CD is equal, DA. In the square, all the sides are equal. In the square, all the sides are equal. This is, in that also 4 sides it will be 4 vertices. 4 sides, 4 vertex. Okay children, this is the square. One more thing, it will be triangle. 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 Triangle, children, it will be made up of 3 line segments. It will be made up of 3 line segments. In the triangles, different triangle shapes are there. They always don't, sides are not equal. This is the 3 sides it will be. Side name is AB, BC, AC. These are the three sides. Is rectangle having three sides and three vertices. Three sides and three vertices. Okay, children. This is today's topic. Is next topic we will discuss about the solid shapes. Okay, children. Thank you.